This is the Lesson 10 video notes on how to simplify and solve. This is where we put everything together. If you have taken a look at the first example in the notes, you'll see that we were doing some significant algebra here. And let's start with example 1. As soon as we see that equal sign, we know that we're going to be drawing a wall. The second step we look for is we're going to start junking and dividing. However, once we see this mess with parentheses and addition and all these things on the left side, we know we have to simplify it, which to us means bracket. So we go through our steps. Bracket off the terms. And it is important that you understand that you're not going to mix these two sides together. That wall is there for a reason, so we're going to stick with the left side only and go through our steps. So first term is a solo, so we just bring it down. Second term, 2 in the house, is a distribute, so we go through our rules. Positive 2 times 3 gives us a positive 6. Distribute that 2 to the next person, which has one negative sign in it, so we end up with a negative 8x. Of course, the next words out of our mouth should be clean it up. So we take care of the 5 and the 6, which gives us 11 minus 8x. And now we can get to the other side, which is perfectly fine. And we just bring it down. Now we go to junk and divide. Go to the x side of the wall, get rid of the junk, subtract 11 from both sides. Bring our negative 8x down. Take care of these numbers, which ends up being negative 63. That takes care of the junk, and now we go to divide. And again, put this in our calculator, and we get 7.875. Okay, let's take a look at our second example. And again, this one looks a little bigger, but really it doesn't matter to us. We stick with our rules. See an equal sign, draw the wall. Look over to the x side, and if it's a mess, we know we're just going to simplify it. To us, that means bracketing. So we go through our bracketing steps and start doing our terms. First term is a solo artist, bring them down, 5x. Second term is a mash. 2 negatives makes it positive, 20. Third one's a distribute. We're distributing a positive 7 to the first person, negative 14x. And to the second one, positive 21. Once we get through our mash and distributing step, we know we're going to clean it up. So we take care of our x's first. Looks like negative 9x. And then we'll take care of our regular numbers, plus 42. Sorry, plus 41. Other side looks clean. And then we go to junk and divide. On the x side of the wall, let's get rid of that 41. Subtract from both sides. Draw our total line. And bring it down our stuff. I'm going to move our negative 9x in a little bit because it's looking a little far away. And over here we get 189. That takes care of our junk, so we go to divide. And we end up getting negative 21. And that takes care of simplifying and solving. You guys are officially ready to do some serious equation solving.